Good morning, this is Kasturi Day. I was continuing with the question answer section of the motion chapter according to ICSE syllabus class 7. I was continuing with the numerical section. So I'll do that. I'll tell you about the question number 9 numerical now. A man runs around exactly half the circumference of a circular path of diameter 40 meter. What is the displacement of the man? Displacement, we know that is the shortest distance covered between the initial and the final position. So he is running halfway the circumference of the path. So shortest distance will be the diameter. So initial point is the start of the diameter line and final point will be the end of the diameter line. So displacement will be equal to diameter. So therefore, the diameter we know that's 40 meters, so displacement will be 40 meters. Then an object moves from A to D. From A, if we form a rectangular along a rectangular path as shown in the given figure. If we make a rectangular figure, we will see that this is the A point and this is the D point. Okay. So the boy is moving, the object is moving from A to B, B to C, C to D. So this way it is moving. So find the distance covered by the object and displacement of the object. Okay. Now the distance covered by the object is A to B, that is 10 kilometers. Then from B to C, that is 6 kilometers. As it is a rectangular figure, if A to D is 6 kilometers, then B to C is also 6 kilometers. Opposite sides we know are equal in a rectangle. So A to B is same as D to C or C to D, and A to D is also same as B to C. That will be equal. So the distance will be A plus A to B, that is 10 kilometers, B plus to C, that is 6 kilometers, and C to D, that is 10 kilometers again. That will be equal to 26 kilometers. Now the displacement from A to D. This is the total distance the object has covered. So, excuse me. The shortest distance will be this one, A to D. This one. The shortest distance is 6 kilometers. The displacement will be 6 kilometers. Okay. Now calculate the speed of an object if it covers 600 meters in 30 seconds. So D is equal to 600 meters and T is equal to 30 seconds given. So speed is equal to distance by time. So 600 by 30, that will be 20 meter per second. Now an express train moves at a speed of 60 km per hour. How far will it travel in 5 hours? So speed given is 60 km per hour and time taken is 5 hours. So distance will be speed into time, 60 into 5, that is equal to 300 kilometers. Excuse me. How long will it take for an object moving with a speed of 10 meter per second to cover a distance of 40 meters? Speed given is 10 meter per second and distance covered given is 40 meters. So time taken will be distance by speed, 40 by 10, that is equal to 4 seconds. Then a train covers a distance of 840 kilometers with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. How long does it take to finish the journey? So distance given is 840 kilometers and speed given is 60 kilometers per hour. Time taken, distance by speed, 840 by 60, that is equal to 14 hours. Again, a bus moves with an average speed of 60 kilometers per hour for 4.5 hours. Find the distance traveled by it. So speed given is 60 km per hour and time is 4.5 hours. Distance is equal to speed into time, 60 into 4.5, that is equal to 270 kilometers. Again, a man walks at a speed of 1 meter per second and covers a certain distance or in the same time. But if he walks at a speed of 3 meters per second, he covers an additional distance of 15 meters in the same time. What is the distance he actually covered? So in the first case, the speed first one is 1 meter per second. Okay, d1, let's say d1 is x meters, covers a certain distance. So we take as x meters. Time taken is, say, t seconds. Okay, in some time, so t seconds let it be. Now if he walks a speed of 3 meter per second, so s2 let it be what is given, that is 3 meter per second. He covers an additional distance of 15 meters. So in d2 is 15 meters. Okay, now what happens in the same time? So t2 is also t seconds, time is same. Now t2 is equal to these two, speed and distance is given. So t2 is equal to d2 by s2, that is 15 by 3, that is equal to 5 seconds. So we get the time t1, we get that 5 seconds as t1 is equal to t2. Then d1, we know that it was x meters. Now d1 is equal to s1 into t1. S1 we know that is 1 meter, that's given, and time taken is 5 seconds. So distance covered is 5 meters in the first case. Okay. Then a child walks 5 meters in straight from his house. Then he turns left and walks 12 meters. He then walks 13 meters straight back to his house. What is his displacement? See. Boy is walking first 5 meters, then he moves left and moves 12 meters to his from his house is moving. First he walks 5 meters and straight from his house and then turns left and walks 12 meters. Okay, then he walks 12 meters, he turning left, he walks 12 meters. Then he again turn and straight he moves to his house, that is 13 meters. So the displacement will be this shortest distance. Okay, the total distance he covered from here to here, but the shortest distance is covered is this one. So this will be his displacement, that is 13 meters. Okay, so this is the end of the motion chapter. Please go through this. If you have any doubt, please do write in the comment box. Go through the text videos and the question answer sections. Practice the numericals very well so that you can score more. Okay, and if you have any doubt, please do write in the comment box. If you like the video, press the like button, and if you are a new viewer to my channel, please do subscribe so that you can get the notification of my next video. Thank you.